Today we will discuss the ascending order and descending order of a rational number. I have explained in the previous equation. Rational number mean you can write in the form of P over Q, and ascending order mean arrange in small to big, and descending order mean big to small. Ascending order means small to big, and descending order mean big to small. We have discussed the topic of integers. Integers are the combination of positive and negative values. Now we have a ton of negative and positive values of rational number in ascending order and descending order. The process will be same for both ascending and descending order, but we need to understand how to arrange it. So let's see. I will take a question is 1 over 2 minus 3 over 6. Let's see, we have 4 over maybe 3, and we have minus 5 over 4. So whenever we have a topic comparing the rational numbers, comparing the numbers, so we will use a sign of a greater, less or equality sign. And whenever we have a fractional values or rational values, we always take a common LCM. So first of all, we will take the common LCM, and the denominators are 2, 6, 3, 4. So I will always start with the 2. Don't jumble it. Always start with the smallest number, then go with the bigger number. 2 1 times 2, 2 3 times 6, 3 is not possible. 2 times 2 4. Then we have again with 2 1, 3 is not possible. 3 is not possible. 2 1 times 2. Now the turn of 2 is done. So then go with the 3. So it is very easy method to find the prime factors or the LCM. So the common LCM for finding the ascending and descending order for these values: 2 times 2 4, and 4 3 times 12. So the common LCM is 12. Now we need to arrange all the values. 2 multiplied by which number? 6 times 2, 6 times 12. Multiply in the numerator. This is a rule. So 6 2 times 12. Then multiply in the numerator. 6 2 times 12. Then we have 3 4 times 12, multiply in the numerator, and the last number we have minus 5 over 4. So 4 multiplied by 3, so we multiply in the numerator. So you can see all the numerators will become same, all the denominator and the LCM will be same. 6 over 12, then we have 16 over 12, then we have minus 15 over 12. So you can see all the denominators are same. In other way, the cake will be same. The property, if you have a property, the total will be same. Now it is very easy to compare all the numerators. So if you are talking about the ascending order mean go from small to big, and you know very well in the process of ascending and descending order with the integers, with the negative and positive rational values, ascending order always started from left to right. In a number line, you know very well, in a number line the negative values are started from the left hand side. So ascending order started from left hand side. So whenever we have a negative values, the bigger will become the smaller one, and the smaller one become the bigger one. So we consider the negative value first. So minus 15 is the smallest one, so minus 15 over 12. Then we have minus 6 over 12. Then the positive values are, then the number is 6 over 12, and the last one is 16 over 12. So ascending order mean go from small to big, and for ascending order we always put the sign of less than. When you will complete this, just write the original values under the solutional value. So 15 over 12 original value is minus 5 over 4. You can put the sign of for ascending order. Minus 6 over 12 is minus 3 over 6. 6 over 12 original value is 1 over 2, and the last we have 4 over 3. In the same case, we will do the same process for the descending order, and we arrange in a descending order. Descending order mean go from big to small. The biggest number is 16. Then we have a 6 over 12. Then we have minus 6 over 12, and then we have minus 15 over 12. Big to small, big to small. The bigger one will become the smaller one. The biggest number will become the smaller one. Big to small. So in negative values, the bigger one will become the smaller one, and the smaller one become the bigger one. So minus 6 is bigger than minus 15. And for descending order, we always put the sign of greater than, and then you can write the original value under these values. The process will be same for question number 5 and 6, ascending and descending order. You just follow the rule. Questions are not necessary to understand. You need to understand the formula, you need to understand the concept. Any question from any book you can solve if you understand the concept. Whenever you have to compare the values, always find the LCM, then make the LCM same, then you need to arrange in ascending order and descending order. Thank you.